Hello everyone, now I want to review a product from Xiaomi, a wireless earbuds, a true wireless earbud. You can see, okay, we see the top view, this is legit from MCMC, got approved, right? See the side box, you see the back, it's a really original product, a flagship product. Okay, now I want to unbox this product. Let's see inside. This is a cartridge. The earpod, the port is here. Here some silicone earbuds. You can see this is a manual books. See a lot of languages inside. And then we have the last one. Here's some warranty paper. Okay, let's take a look what all inside the box. So far, this the only thing that you can find inside the box. Right. Manual, a warranty paper, a silicone cover, and a pot. Okay, let's unbox this pot. Let's see inside. Remove that. Okay, actually this one I already opened the lid, the cover to test is it okay or not. If you buy a new one, actually this is not turn on. You need to turn on yourself, and then you need to remove the battery cover. Here got the red sticker here. You need to remove. If not, it's not being functioned. So you need to remove, and then you can connect to your phone through the Bluetooth. Even your PC, if you have a Bluetooth, also can connect to your PC. So first you just remove these two, and then you try to pair with your device. So let's take a look on the port. So we have the micro USB slot to charging. So this is overall the box. Yeah, it's roundy shapes. Okay, what I hate about this product is just it's too round. It's not too grippy. So when I hold it, it's easy to fall. Even the earbuds. Okay, let's see this overall what you get if you buy this product. It's a good value product. It's a good quality. Just the shape itself is too rounded for me. But so far it's okay. It's worth it. The price is not too high. It's affordable. You can go to Shopee or Lazada. You can find it. So this one I buy. You can see on Shopee there's a flagship store of Xiaomi. You can see just 99 ringgit. Even you go to store, you can get the same price from the flagship store on the retail store. Same price. Okay, that's it for me. If you like it, you can buy yourself or you can browse in Shopee or Lazada. Okay, so far that's it for me. If you like this content, please subscribe this channel.